Are you looking for a handicap ramp? My team just installed an incredible handicap ramp that our customer is starting off as a rental, and they can convert 100% of that rental towards a purchase in the first 3 months. Before I take it out to Andre, who's actually on the job site, and we're going to go over this entire ramp, this project, the thought process, how we install it. My name is Richard Spaffra. I'm the president and CEO of USA Medical Supply here in West Springfield, Massachusetts. If you're looking for a handicap ramp, we're the experts here. Stop in and see us for a free local assessment. We sell, service, and warranty for the life of your ramp through us and offer one of the best buyback programs in the entire country. Compare our buyback programs with anybody. You can rent to own, 0% financing, and we have a resource center at usamedicalsupply.com for possible third-party payers. We've worked with so many third-party payers in the past that sometimes will cover a partial cost to this, or they may cover the entire cost, but you have to check with these third-party payers. Let's get it right out to Andre.
Pretty impressive. You went right to the driveway, nothing on the grass, and man, you designed this perfectly to the customer's specs and everything else. So what's your thought process when you were measuring this ramp and how Cornell and Paul installed it? So go over a little bit with us as we walk up here.
Yeah, so we talked about how to measure it. So the rise from the ground to the top there is 33 inches. So
from the ground to the top level is 33 inches. Yeah. And why is that important for 33 inches and then to have 33 feet of ramp?
Yeah, because we have to have that slope of 4.76 degrees, right? That's the ADA compliant slope. For every inch of height, you need 1 foot of ramp. And in this case, we couldn't kind of just go out or go on the grass. There was another, condition set. The customer said, I really don't want any of this to kind of go on the grass at all. So this was the design that we came up with. So none of the ramp is.
So nothing is on the grass. That's incredible. So you can pretty much configure and design anything to what the customer wants, huh?
Yeah, absolutely. And this worked out great because there was enough room to do this U-shaped plus an L-shaped kind of thing. And a really, really great thing up here is that there were existing handrails, and sometimes we have to take these out because it doesn't fit, because you have to have a handrail. But in this case, it worked out perfectly. See, we didn't even have to remove the existing handrails, and this slid right under. So the person, the customer has, a handrail everywhere. Like from here, they go here, and then they go here. So we actually saw her using her knee walker, right? And she was doing great with that, so it came out really nice.
And I know, she was using the handrail to pull herself up with a knee walker. What's the weight capacity? Could somebody use a power wheelchair or a scooter on this? Like, are we safe on this ramp right now?
Absolutely, 1,000 pounds per square foot. So when you have these big wheelchairs that weigh 300 or 400 pounds, and then you can have another person in it that weighs 400 pounds, you're going to be at 800 pounds total. This is still able to take that, 1,000 pounds per square foot. So this is really, really heavy duty.
Now, does somebody have to purchase this, or can they rent this?
In this case, the best case scenario, they started with a rental. So you can rent it, you can purchase it, refurbished, brand new. We have a lot of options.
What if they start off at a rental and they decide that later down the line they want to purchase it? Are they going to lose any of that rental money towards the purchase?
Absolutely not. That's the one thing that we haven't found any other competitor that does this. You can use 100% of what you paid thus far. When you start with a rental, up to 1 month of renting, depending on your case scenario, we work with you, but you use 100% towards the purchase price. So
okay,
this works out great.
What if they don't want the ramp anymore? How do they get rid of this?
So when we do the installation, the removal is already included, so there are no more charges. They just call us up, we put it on the schedule, and we just remove it, if it's a rental. But if they ended up purchasing it, we offer buybacks, and that is dependent on the initial price they paid.
Yeah, and I know I don't want to give away our secret recipe, but I know we're the best in the business with the most dollar for dollar we're giving back for ramps.
Exactly.
We've even seen triple, if not quadruple, the buyback purchasing that we're willing to offer our customers versus our competitors that are on the national level.
Yeah, we were surprised once to find out how much lower the buyback was for one of our customers for a different competitor. But
Well, thank you,
That's true.
Andre. I appreciate it, and great job designing
great job
this
to the
ramp.
guys too. They did a awesome job installing it, and
Yeah.
everything worked out nice. I mean, right on the edge of the grass here, in perfect pitch.
Well, just want to say a special thank you to Andre, Paul, and Cornell. Paul, you did a phenomenal job measuring this ramp to make sure it went right to the edge of the driveway and it didn't land anywhere on the grass like the customer requested. Just shows that you guys are capable of designing just about any type of ramp with any type of configuration. Amazing. We have a very happy customers, and this will make their lives so much easier going up the steps with the injury that she is facing. So if you'd like to call us for a free assessment, 413-733-7843, or you can text us at 413-200-4191. And if you would like to subscribe to our channel, we have over 200,000 subscribers right now, and we are putting up content every day just about, and everything from CPAP to scrubs to what goes on behind the scenes of this business. And we're just trying to keep it as real as possible on this channel. And if you have any questions, feel free to reach out to us. God bless all of you, and I hope you stay healthy, you stay well.